Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying admin access and that your main monitor is connected. This prevents permission roadblocks. Once done, note the screen's native resolution and refresh rate so you can restore exact values later. Now open Start, choose Settings, then System and Display to begin. This route ensures you access built-in controls rather than third-party apps. Pause to check the cable type, HDMI or DisplayPort, because that affects available refresh rates and resolutions. Proceed when the display panel is visible. You'll now set the resolution and scale to get clarity and correct UI size. First, pick the display you're configuring, then choose the native resolution. This preserves correct aspect ratio for 16:9 panels. Next, adjust scale to 100% 200% based on reading distance. Larger scaling reduces blurry text. If you change orientation or rotation, apply it and confirm within 15 seconds. Otherwise, Windows reverts. Make sure to test a couple of apps to verify text and window layouts appear as finish by calibrating color and setting night light to reduce eye strain. Open Calibrate Display Color for gamma and white point tweaks. Then go to Advanced Display Settings to set the correct refresh rate, higher HZ smooths motion. If settings are missing or the screen flickers, update or reinstall the display driver via Device Manager. If problems persist, roll back the driver or boot into safe mode for a clean test. One key tip: keep a restore point so you can revert unexpected changes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.